Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this two-layer super square one star from Diansheng. So it is somewhat different from super square one and square one cube. So first let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. Okay, so first step is, you can choose any piece, and from there you can take, you can place all the pieces into its correct position. So here we'll use cuboid algorithm with a small change. So let's say if we have taken this piece as our reference piece, so from this we have to build this first layer. Okay, so first we have to see whether we can fix the green, red and gray. So we have to use green and red piece which can be fixed next to it. So do we have, yes, green and red is here, so this piece we have to fix it over here. So first what we'll have to do is, it is into same layer, so we'll have to bring it into downward, the different layer. So this is now here. Now we have to bring this back, and now it is here. So now we can place it here. So it is very intuitive, you can solve easily. So these two pieces are placed into correct position. Now we have to use white and green as reference. White and green piece is here. So first we'll have to bring this the piece into first layer like this, and then move it backward here, so that you can bring it up, and now you can bring this up. So this is also fixed. Now green and pink is here. So first bring this into first layer, green and pink, and then bring it to backward position, and now bring it up. So this is also fixed. Okay, now make this keep this layer into downward side, and we have to use cuboid algorithm from here. So this is green, gray and yellow. So green and gray, so green and gray is here, so this piece will come here. So we'll have to swap this two. So we'll use cuboid algorithm to swap these two pieces, but with a small change. So this is 2r or r 2u, instead of 1u it is 2u, 2r 2u prime, and 2r. So now you can see this is fixed. Similarly we have to bring this piece, green and yellow, over here. This is the last piece, we need to swap these two pieces. So again we'll use the algorithm 2r 2u 1 2, 2r 2u prime and 2r. So now you can see our first layer is done. Okay, now you can see the center is moved, that we can easily fix. So what we have to do is we have to use super square one strategy. So 2R, then bring this all green pieces into left side, again 2R, and again bring this pieces into this position with this green into this side only. Like this, and bring it back. It is very simple. Okay, so our first layer is done. Now we have to fix the second layer. So now in this case we have to use 3 cycle algorithm to fix this pieces. So this is our equator line. So from here, if we want to fix, this is our blue and yellow piece, so this blue and yellow piece will come here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to use 3 cycle algorithm. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So we'll use this algorithm as 2R U prime, again 2R 2U prime, 1 2. This is one set, we have to do it 3 times. So again 2R U prime, 2R 2U prime, 2 set, and now 2R U prime, 2R 2U prime, and 2R. Now we have to use again U prime, 2R, and now we have to do it 2U, so 1 and 2. So now you can see both the pieces are placed properly. Okay, so we'll use this technique to solve this, and our bottom layer is not disturbed. So now we have to fix gray. So from here also we can use it. So this is fixed, we have to fix this edge piece over here. Okay, so this edge piece will come here, this edge piece will come here, and this will come here. So we'll use 3 cycle from this angle. So this piece will come here, and I mean blue and gray, and this is also blue and gray. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is 2R U prime, 2R 2U prime, 2R U prime, 2R 2U prime, 2R U prime, 2R 2U prime, now 2R U prime, and 2R 2U, 1 2. So now we can see all our pieces are solved. But I'll show you one parity wherein only 2 edge pieces are swapped. So that is a case wherein you will find a parity. Okay, so this is one parity wherein only 2 pieces needs to swap. All other pieces, if you look at, are solved except this 2. So if we use 3 cycle algorithm from here, so what that will do is these are 2 needs to swap, right? So if we use 3 cycle algorithm from here, this piece will come here and it will be solved, right? But this piece will come here, and this is red, blue and yellow, and blue and yellow piece will come here instead of blue and orange, which is already solved. So again we'll have a parity over here. So we have to use different method. We have to bring this piece from here to this side, or from this piece from here to this side, and we have to solve it. So either we can bring this piece from here to this side, or we can bring this piece from this side and we can solve it. So what we'll do is, first we'll bring this piece, we'll bring this piece over here. So what we'll do is, okay, so from here we'll use we have to bring this piece, which is gray and blue, from here to this side. So this piece will come, this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So one by one we need to bring this over here. Okay, so it is, the algorithm is same, 2r u prime, again 2r, 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, and 2r and 2u. So now we can see this piece has moved from here to this side. We need to focus on blue and gray only. Now we have to bring this piece over here. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, here, and this piece will come here. So 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r and 2u. Okay, so now we can see this blue and gray has moved here. So again we need to change this center position and bring one piece, one equator from this to this side. Okay, so now we have to bring this piece over here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So now you can see gradually it is moving. So this piece will come here. So 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r and 2u. So now you can see it is moved from here to this side. Again we have to change this position. So now you can see, now if we'll use 3 cycle algorithm, we already bring this here it was this piece was here. So from here we moved this piece to this side, and now once we'll fix this, so it will fix, and this orange will come here and this will be fixed, and this white will come here. So first we'll fix this. So 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u. So now you can see this is solved. Now we have to use 3 cycle algorithm to fix this. So this is our last step. So this yellow will come here, this white and blue will come here, and this will come here, and our cube will be solved. So it is 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, 2r 2u prime, 2r u prime, and 2r, and now you can see our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.